guys, it's Cassie and today I'm doing a luxury shoe unboxing for you. Guys, if you are new here, my name is Cassie. I'm a self-diagnosed luxury addict. I put out videos on Mondays, Wednesdays and Fridays, so if you like luxury fashion, then you're probably going to love it here. So head down there, subscribe, turn on the bell, become a member of our luxury addicted family. When are we going to rehab? Never. Guys, are you ready? Let's go. Okay, if you are a seasoned subscriber, trigger warning, knife. If you're a seasoned subscriber, then you probably have an idea of exactly what these are. I've been waiting for these for 10 months. Also, random thing, everyone needs one of these. Got it off Amazon. It just basically says confidential all over it, and you roll it over your address on packages and stuff so that, you know, identity theft doesn't happen. So that's fun. Get one. I'll link it below. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the box. Mac and Mac. Match and match. Mach and mach. As soon as I remember seeing these and I was like, these are just insane. You know me, I'm a sucker for a sparkle, so it was an absolute no-brainer that I had to pre-order these. I will go through the price and the sizing and everything, don't worry. Okay, let's see. She's here with her son. That's a very nice dust bag, that is a very nice, dust bag. Only the one, but it is big enough for both shoes, so thank you, I appreciate that. But the question is are they as sparkly as I've seen them to be on the internet and on their Instagram and everything else? So now is the moment. Ooh, oh, they are sparkly. Okay, you at the top, you. Okay. How do I? Ooh, there are so many crystals on these shoes. I am here for them. I like what I'm seeing so far. Look at them. Oh my gosh. Okay, not gonna lie to you. The snout of it is very pointy. But I went into it knowing this and knowing that I'm gonna make it work. These are black satin. They do them in a couple of other colours and like different variations. I'll have options linked below. There you go. Look at that. Look at that. Look at all of the crystals and I love it. And then you've got this ankle situation. Alright, so what did I get? I ordered a size 39 because that is my size, right? I ended up paying £730 for these. That is with the shipping, the VAT and everything else, right? Mode operandi can get a bit complicated with their VAT and shipping charges and everything else. But all in, that's how much I ended up paying. I did get a discount because I found some code somewhere. Full price they are. Currently being sold on Mode operandi for $912, right? But I have found them a little bit cheaper elsewhere, so don't worry, those links will be below. I have some styling ideas, we're going to go through them in this video, but let me try them on, because this is going to be a travesty if I get all excited and they're the wrong size. Size-wise, we're looking good, thank God, because waiting for this for 10 months and then, hold on a second, how does the snake live? How does, what? Ah, this way? The snake. There we go, we're in. And I'm still not sure if I've done that right, but oh my gosh. These are so sparkly and fabulous and I feel like Cinderella. Fabulous. Now, let's go through a little bit of styling. I've got 3 looks for you. Look number 1. Okay, this is a very casual base, right? Of course the shoes are just like extra astronomical on a completely different level of extra, which we love. And that's why I've gone for a very simple look. This is a look that you wear when you want to show up, to show out to a casual daytime event, but you don't want to look like you tried too hard. You want to look like it was just like, oh, me with all of my sparkles? My gosh, it's just a black t-shirt and jeans. What are you talking about? You know, that is this kind of look. Okay, of course I had to pair it with this, okay? When else was there a time? These jeans as well are cut in such a way that it really puts the shoe on show, which we love, and it really gives her space to shine. Look number 2 can only be described as a bitch better have my money look, okay? First of all, we've gone all black. We've gone tailored. Once again, another trouser that really puts the shoe on show and gives her the limelight. I've gone with a blazer, okay, because this is a look that you wear to a meeting where you're coming out to win. The first meeting between your divorce attorneys and you're seeing your absolute trash bag of an ex for the first time, and you need to let him know you're coming for the alimony, right, and you're coming for at least half. You can obviously do this with a pop of colour. How may I be of assistance, sir? No. How may you be of assistance to me? All right? Thank you very much. Look number 2. This look is kind of like school uniform inspired just a little bit, but obviously we're grown up and we're fabulous. As you can tell, I'm really enjoying these like white and black monochrome looks, okay? Let me have it. Now, we've got this white shirt with a very strong collar. I love a strong collar. It means that you mean business, okay? This could be one to a fabulous dinner. This could be the first time you're meeting your boyfriend's parents and you just want them to know what kind of lady he's dealing with. Lady? Oh my gosh. These just look fabulous against the black tights. Oh my gosh. It just makes them sparkle even more. I'm loving it. I'm feeling like this is like a grown-up, fabulous Britney Spears Baby Hit Me One More Time vibe. You know, minus the cardigan. But you get what I'm talking about. Guys, let me know what you thought of my shoes. Do you like them? Do you love them? I'm going to leave a link to another video here in case you haven't already seen it. Have an amazing morning, afternoon, or evening, wherever you are, and I'll see you in my next video. Mwah! Bye, guys.